Hi, the question says Pragya tested the solubility of three different substances at different temperatures and collected the data as given below. That is, the results are given in the following table as grams of the substances involved. Those substances are potassium nitrate, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, and ammonium chloride. And these are the grams of substances required to make a saturated solution in 100 grams of water at different temperatures. So, that is 100 grams of water to form a saturated solution. Now, the question further asked here is Pragya makes a saturated solution of potassium chloride in water at 353 Kelvin. So, for potassium chloride in water at 353 Kelvin, the number of grams of potassium chloride required will be 54 grams. Now, and it leaves behind a solution to cool at room temperature. Now, as we know, the room temperature is taken to be 27 degrees Celsius, that is 300 Kelvin. So, it will be lying somewhere between 293 and 313 Kelvin. Now, if you observe over here, the potassium chloride has value of 35 grams at 293 Kelvin, whereas 40 grams at 313 Kelvin. So, if you take a rough average between these two, let us assume that 37 grams of potassium nitrate will be required to form a saturated solution of potassium chloride at the room temperature. But since here we are having 54 grams 800 grams of water at 353 Kelvin, it is very high as compared to 37 grams. So on cooling down, Pragya will observe that some soluble potassium chloride solution will be separated. That is, if you take an exact value, that is 54 minus 37, that is 27 gram of potassium chloride on an average will be separated from the solution of potassium chloride, and those parts of the potassium chloride will form the crystals as the solubility of the potassium chloride will decrease with the decrease in temperature, as it is evident from the data that in 283 Kelvin only 35 grams are there, but on increasing the temperature to 353 Kelvin we can accommodate 54 grams of potassium chloride in 100 grams of water. So we can conclude by saying that as the temperature is decreasing, the solubility of the potassium chloride is decreasing, and therefore potassium chloride crystals will be formed which will not be soluble inside this potassium chloride solution at the room temperature, that is 300 Kelvin. Thank you.